Schubor nakaschlem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Frank Motors hagas ngisat jan jong ka tayo kala play pat ba ya ka kali Thymmai ya ka bala tim kum ka Tata Punch baru kong san haga ni kasngi ulong Vikas Chetri ubadairu Chief Manager jong ka Bank of Baroda.
We would like to present to you the brand new Tata Punch. Yeah, boy, how awesome is that?
Haga ni ka kali lakin top lang karukom shna bat pen itnat ban ai jing shngan bat ban ai ka jing sngot tenat haga jing nya ya ka. Nakaliang utray ka Frank Motors uba indon lang pasa ulaong kini kasngi kalong ka bakkemen namar lala ban penmi pat ba ya ka Tata Punch ka ban pen sngotenan ya ki bania hagani ka kali la pendat ya ka sunroof ki kor ki bor ki bakat kum ka juk bat ka jingdon kam bat ka bakham kong santam kalong ka jing shngai la ban kedo baki kali Tata baro ki bu hakmat ya ka jing shngai jong ki nong nia bat ki nong shong kali.
Your 2023 Punch, the brand new Punch with the new sunroof. The sunroof, my dear friends. Big round of applause, everyone. That sounds even better than Alexa, if you ask me. When you look at the interior designs, it is very perfect, very aesthetic.
Yes.
What about the interior?
And I have to say that we, Bank of Baroda, are a channel partner or Frank Motors has been associated with us since long. We are very happy that today they have given us the opportunity. I, along with my team members, are here. And first of all, I will tell this. It has almost become 1.5 years that Frank Motors has started its journey here in Shillong. And as you all know that Frank Indon Pasa, who has also carved a niche in this industry, because Frank Yamaha, his sister concern, has been doing very excellent since long here. And in 1.5 years, I have to say that Frank Motors has made their impact and in this market, and we Bank of Baroda know because we are associated with them, and all the things, whatever facility, financial system which we have are able to provide, we are very happy. And as about Tata, I have to say that Tata is a leading automobile industry company in India. Everyone knows they are very much focused in safety measures, because in all other cars you can see the Tata car is safest because of its innovative features in this. And I have to say that Tata has now launched this Tata Punch, which is with sunroof model, which is doing which will be doing very good in the market, because in this affordable price, I can say that Tata has done a tremendous job by unveiling this new model of Tata Punch. And I have to say that today is a very important day for all of Tata Motors people here. That in this and to all the stakeholders, that today I will be unveiling this car. Thank you.